When protecting your home, the importance of a strong and durable roof cannot be overstated. For homeowners in Clark County, Kentucky needing residential roofing services, CRC Roofing and Renovations stands out as a trusted roofing company in the local area. With over 20 years of experience, our team is committed to delivering exceptional craftsmanship and customer service to every project we undertake. Don't wait until your roofing issues become a major problem. We also offer flexible financing options to make your roofing project more affordable. As an A+ accredited business with the Better Business Bureau, you can trust CRC Roofing and Renovations to protect your home with our expert residential roofing services. For all your residential roofing needs in Clark County, Kentucky, reach out to CRC Roofing and Renovations today at crccompany.com or give us a call at 859-327-3913 to schedule your free roofing consultation or to ask any questions that you may have.